is currently 6 o'clock in the morning. Going down to York Redoubt to take some drone shots of a ship that's coming in for Holland America line. Didn't have to be up this early. I think they probably just were looking for some shots throughout the day, but I thought it would be cool to get down there and take some shots of the ship coming into the harbor. So we're gonna go down and see what we can get, and hopefully we get something cool. There is the city over there. We're gonna catch the ship as it is coming just past McNabb's Island, the lighthouse there. And the ship is there. Can't really see it right now, but it's out there. So we got the first ship that's coming in today. There's 3 cruise ships. So here is the first of our 3 cruise ships today that will be in port in Halifax. This is the Enchanted Princess, and she is cruising. Coming past McNabb's Island here, there's the lighthouse, and it is shaping up to be a beautiful day here in Halifax. I'm sure the passengers aboard this ship are going to be very happy with the day today, because it's supposed to be very warm and there is very little wind so far. So, Enchanted Princess. Little wind so far. So, Enchanted Princess. And we are just waiting on the American Holland. And there she is, the Holland America ship that we are looking for today. So, just behind the Enchanted Princess here, as you can see, holy frig, she's big. We got all 3 ships lined up here, the other one being just behind the Holland America ship here. And there is the other one just behind it.